as we all have gathered for a grand celebration of stamina, intelligence, and pure determination. The two teams participating in match one, that is Sun International and St. Mary's School, the Inter-School Senior Girls Kho-Kho Tournament under the banner of Virangana Jhansi Sahodaya Sports Complex and proudly hosted by the Aryan School. Team strategy working perfectly. Kho-Kho has always been a shining example of India's athletic heritage. One more round. Today we have 10 participating schools and they are Sherwood College, Modern Public School, The Academy, Bluebells Public School, Sun International School, St. Mary's School, Delhi Public School, Mount Literacy School, CKC Academy, and our very own Aryan. Team strategy working perfectly.
Time over.
The first match of this tournament, Sun International won by 16 points. Now the second match is between MPS and Sherwood.
Reverend Principal of St. Mary's School, Father Joseph Prakash, and we thank him for his gracious presence. If we can please request Father to come forward for the toss of the second match.
For the next match, I would like to call the captain of CKC Academy and the Academy to report near the stage. I request the captain of Mount Literacy School and the RN School to report near official table. All the team members of Modern Public School report on the stage. Next match is between Mount Literacy School and the RN School. The RN School won the toss and choose to attack first.
Congratulations and all the best. Say your name. Okay, all the best. All the best. All the best. All the best. Once again, Jay, all the best. Thank you. All the best. Thank you. Congratulations on meeting the time. All the best. What's your name? All the best. All the best. All the best. Radhe Radhe beta. All the best. Radhe Radhe. Congratulations and all the best. All the best. All the best. All the best, beta. Thank you. Congratulations. All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best. Congratulations. Call?
Me won the toss and choose to attack first. Sports captain report on the stage.
excitement, we welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Inter-School Veerangna Jhansi Sahoday Complex Kho-Kho Tournament 2025, hosted by the Aryans School. Girls have proved that champions are not the one who always win, but the one who never give up. Now let's move on to the most awaited moment of the day, that is prize distribution ceremony. First of all, I would like to call upon stage the scorers, umpires on the stage. Let's welcome the match scorers and umpires who meticulous eye for the detail stats upon the match. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for keeping the game honest and the scoreboard alive. Your presence today not only adds credibility to the contest but also inspires every player and fan. A huge round of applause for them. Applause for the DPS team as they are the runner-up of this tournament. Congratulations to all the participants. Thank you, sir. Let's welcome the winner of the Inter-School Virangna Jhansi Sahodaya Complex Kho-Kho Tournament 2025 is JEC Academy. Congratulations, students, for your well-played performance. A huge round of applause for JEC Academy. I would like to call upon our Director Principal Sir to kindly come upon stage and enlighten us with few words.
So I won't take a long time. Good afternoon, teachers, members of the staff, and my dear participants. You have worked really hard to reach here, I'm sure, and some of you couldn't just cross the line today, but I'm sure next year you will be working harder, and I'm sure you will be the ones on the podium position. Okay, so JEC Academy will need to keep practicing, and we'll beat them next time maybe. Isn't it so? DPS? Yes. And JEC Academy will keep working harder so they can retain their top spot. Isn't it, JEC Academy? Yes. And I can see a young team in JEC Academy. I'm sure their players will continue to play for a long time. So the other schools have their work cut out for themselves. Work hard and don't lose heart because somebody has to win, somebody loses. It's all a part of the game. The important point is that you participate. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank the Sahodaya group of schools for giving the opportunity to Aryan School to host this tournament, and I believe we have done an okay job. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks a lot, sir. As we come to the end of this wonderful tournament, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, the director principal sir, teachers, coaches, referees, supporting staff, and all the participants for making this event a grand success. A huge round of applause for them. A special thanks to all the team for showcasing the true spirit of sportsmanship. You are all the winners in your own way. With this, we officially declare the closing ceremony of Inter-School Virangna Jhansi Sahodaya Complex Kho-Kho Tournament 2025 hosted by the Aryans School. Thank you everyone for your presence. Have a wonderful day ahead. Keep playing, keep growing, and keep shining. Thank you everyone.